Back with another open ear clip earbud review for you all. Companies have been sending me these open ear earbuds and it's kind of caught on, so here's another review for you. These are the SoundPeats Go Free 2. This is an ear clip earbud that slides around your ear and then has a speaker that kind of plays into your ear canal, and they sound pretty good. And I say pretty good pretty loosely there because these open ear clip earbuds actually don't sound that great for music because they don't have perfect sound isolation in your ear canal and they kind of play external to your ear. The bass isn't that great and it kind of sounds muddled. But what I do like about this style of earbud is that you can hear your external surroundings. So it sounds like transparency mode on the AirPods, but without the cost. Here's an example how the SoundPeats Go Free 2 look on me, and also an example of the microphone quality. What do you think? How does it sound? These earbuds are charged with a USB-A to USB-C charging cable, and the USB-C goes into the earbuds case, and then you plug it into a power source. So I've received 4 pairs of open ear style ear clips, and I genuinely think these SoundPeats Go Free 2 are the best I've received yet. This pair on the left has a very similar design, but the clip that goes around your ear isn't very flexible. The SoundPeats ear clip is actually pretty flexible and bends very well around my ear. You can see on these other earbuds that they kind of have a very firm ear clip that bends around. It doesn't have very much play, and so unless your ear is exactly that shape, it doesn't fit that great. This is pretty bendy actually and fits decently. I won't talk too much about these other products, but if you want to check out these videos, I'll link it in the description. Anyways, back to these SoundPeats. SoundPeats has sent me 2 other earbuds, the Air 4 Lite and the Air 4 Pro. This is their ear clip design. The first pair I got was this Air 4 Lite, and it's like an AirPod but without a silicone tip. And then their Air 4 Pro, which is like this AirPod Pro with a silicone tip. And SoundPeats does offer an app for all 3 of these earbuds that you can connect to and change EQ settings, which is appreciated. I'm going to switch over from my nice Rode Lav mic to the mic on these earbuds now. Okay, I've switched over to the microphone on the SoundPeats Go Free 2. How does it sound? I'm interested to listen back. I do like that when I'm talking right now, I hear myself talk pretty well, versus when I have a silicone tip, you can't hear your own voice. So this would be a nice concept for calls and meetings where you want to be able to hear your own voice in relation to your surroundings. Overall, let's take a listen back and see how that sounds. Okay, I'm back on my Rode mic and I listened to that recording and I think it sounds pretty good. Overall, I'll give this microphone a 7 out of 10 for this style of earbud and the price. The battery is about 9 hours per charge and 35 hours with the case, so that's about 3.5 charges. Here's a microphone example of the SoundPeats Go Free 2 and also how they look on my ear. One tap is volume up on the right side, volume down on the left side, and then you push and tap this logo here. It's an okay design. When you first open up the earbuds, they say pairing, and you can go into your phone settings and it says SoundPeats Go Free 2, pair them. And then I wanted to see if SoundPeats has an app, and they do. It's called SoundPeats. I'm going to download that app. They also have another app called ChonkyAudio, which looks like it's only in Chinese, so I'm not going to download that one. Anyways, this is what the SoundPeats app looks like, and you can connect and see your exact battery percentages. And you can also set up adaptive EQ, and then they also have presets and custom equalizer modes that you can set up. The app, I will say, was a little bit buggy, and when you tried to click some of these things, it just didn't work. I reset the app and poked around a little bit. Then I went back into the settings, and then it would let me play with equalizer. It just was a little bit slow the first time. I don't know if it was just setting things up, but the app is a bit buggy, I will say that. I do like that you can change the equalizers, and it does give you the option. That's better than a lot of audio companies that don't even give you an equalizer adjustment. I will say with the earclip earbud, changing the EQ doesn't really matter because you don't have great sound isolation in your ear canal, and so the speaker kind of just plays what it's going to play. It's not the best sound quality ever. It's just a nice little earclip earbud that you can hear your surroundings. I would say that's the main functionality of these earclip earbuds. These normally retail for $62 USD. Right now they're on Amazon on sale for like $40. So for $40, these sound okay. If you're looking for an earclip earbud, I will say out of those 4 that I showed earlier, the SoundPeats Go Free 2 is the one to buy. So go over to Amazon and pick them up. Thank you, SoundPeats, for sending me some. Please like and subscribe if you like these audio videos. See y'all.